What's up?
What's up?
Dude,
how's it going?
How's it going? Whew. It's cold, right?
It's gonna snow today.
Yeah. It's supposed to be sunny, I think. Dude, you know what I did? I mean, that's why you're here. I bought a new car.
What'd you get?
Well, you're gonna have to see. Look at all these sick whips sitting out here in the snow. Dude, you ready for this?
Oh, it's already garage kept?
Dude.
No way! You bought a Supra?
Yeah, dude!
Oh, shit.
New Supra, dude!
Another one, a turbo too?
Yeah, hell yeah, it's a turbo. Dude, cheapest Supra I've ever bought.
No way,
Dude,
how much?
cheapest Supra in the USA. 10 grand, bro, 10 grand.
For a turbo?
For a turbo. This is a running turbo Supra for 10 grand.
No
Can you believe
way.
that? Hell yeah, dude. Dude, check it out. Dude, this thing is sick. This thing is sick as sick.
Kind of off.
Yeah, okay, the badges aren't where they're supposed to be.
Isn't the Supra supposed to be on this side?
Yeah, but I think that's like probably a factory option, you know, like custom. Yeah, there's no antenna because, you know.
What the heck is all this?
What?
What?
It's got like minor stuff. Dude, don't worry about any of that stuff. Like, this stuff is mint.
The Target is
Yeah, okay, so at some point in its life, the Target, like, you know Paul Walker? Somebody did that. And so the Target's bent on both sides. I mean, that's not a problem, dude. It's like actually like, dude, it's pretty sick.
Turbo.
It's pretty mint.
Rusty.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's like minor, dude. Like that's like a little brown. I think that'll wipe off. You know, it's not even rust. This thing is just brown. Like, look, it's got turbo wheels, dude.
You got the turbo brakes.
Yeah,
you
turbo brakes. Yeah, I think the center caps are in the trunk somewhere. Yeah, the brakes they need a little love, but it's not too big of a deal. It's not the cleanest, but
oh jeez.
What? Yeah, okay. It's got chips, you know, like it's an old car, so they got chips.
Oh my gosh, this side is even that much better.
I mean, I don't know. It's not that bad. What?
Oh my.
Okay. I mean, it's not that. Yeah, okay. There's like a hole. I mean, it's not.
Damn.
You don't. I mean, it's not too bad. I don't think it's too bad.
Oh, and that is just really ugly.
Okay, yeah. It's got a little rust. I mean, it's like it's a Midwest car, you know. Like it's seen. Well, I mean, you kind of.
Something's wrong with the alignment on it. Like body.
What do you mean?
These gaps are just way off, man.
Yeah.
How much you say you paid?
Yeah, 10 grand, dude. It's cheap. I think it's cheapest turbo Supra in the U.S. Right? That's a pretty good deal. It's a pretty good deal.
I think you overpaid. Do you have an exhaust on this thing?
Dude, what? No. There's no exhaust.
Okay, so you're just dying in there. It's running and driving?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
it runs in. I mean, it runs. You're getting a little down on me here.
Look at these tires.
What? I mean, I think those are like extra treads or something like that.
Oh,
you know?
Is that what it is? Like snow tires?
Yeah.
Automatic?
Okay, yeah, it's an automatic. Like, here, look, you can get inside, dude. Like, this thing's pretty sick. Yeah, door opens right up. There's a little bit of wear and tear, mostly tear.
Jesus. Did you have a Cougar in here or something? The door panels are like...
I mean, the door, yeah. They've seen better days too. But like, you know, what do you think? Like, this thing's pretty sick, all things considered. Yeah,
it's a Supra.
Yeah. It's got a Supra badge. I mean, it's not factory, but like, I mean, it's full of stuff. Like, I don't know, like just junk. Sorry.
There's like tape over this button.
Yeah, someone probably had like a one of them fighter switch things.
Right.
And then like, look, it's got this like sick loose control. I mean, it's disconnected.
Yeah. So it's just for show.
Yeah, it's just for show.
Oh, that's cool.
But dude, pop the hood. Pop the hood. I think it's probably already popped or something.
Well,
like
let's
that.
hope so.
I mean, like, I don't know, dude. Like, I was pretty excited to show you this car, but you're kind of shitting all over it right now.
Oh, it is open.
Yeah. I don't think it closes.
Oh, it is a
dude,
turbo.
See? What did I tell you? This is a 2JZ GTE twin turbo, bro. Look at it. Read it and weep. 2JZ GT.
You got a filter?
What, air filter? No, there's no airbox as such. Oh, okay. There's actually no blow-off valve. That might explain the vacuum leaks.
Oh wow.
I don't really know what any.
How'd you get this here?
How did I get it here? I mean, I drove it. I mean, it wasn't. Yeah, I think this is a little loose too. I know this is kind of dangerous because of the fan, but like, I don't think it's too big of a deal.
I mean, this day and age, it's a Supra, and it's
Yeah, I mean, come on, like you can't get turbo Supras for 10 grand.
I'm not gonna lie, that is
Dude, but
pretty
okay,
good price.
hold on, dude. See, look.
It even came with keys?
Yeah, it came with keys with a little Gundam on it, dude.
Wow.
This thing is sick,
Toyota
like
Supra.
fresh Japanese stuff, dude. Like full
So,
straight from Japan.
Ilco
Even
key.
though it's a U.S. car. Dude, start it up. This
see,
thing
let's see.
purrs.
Wow.
Okay, no, it's still good. Give it a little gas. Hey, yeah, see? Yeah, it's not bad.
It's running.
Yeah,
It's
dude.
breathable, at
That's
least.
pretty sick though, right?
I do like it.
Yeah, I mean, okay, there's no exhaust. That's why it sounds like that.
It needs a lot of paint work and body work.
Yeah, I mean,
It definitely needs a filter.
Yeah, it needs an air filter. I mean, we can get right on that.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's pretty doable. But like, honestly, look at it, just like, oh my goodness, dude. I can't keep it started for too long because the neighbors, they get really mad.
Oh, yeah, let's
You know?
shut it off.
Yeah, let's shut it off. I think I'm gonna carbon monoxide poison everyone. Oh, thank God. It runs, right?
Stayed on the whole time, too.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool. It'll be a nice little long project. I mean, as if your red one didn't take long enough, but you know.
Oh man, I mean, look, dude, I am a pro
Oh,
at
yeah,
lawn project.
I thought it was a lawnmower.
Dude, cheapest Supra in the USA. Eat your heart out. I don't know, all you other YouTubers who
Yeah, you're gonna name it the?
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna title it that. What is that like? Is that like not cool? Is that too clickbaity or whatever?
No, it's fine. I mean, it's not like it's been done before or anything.
But I think this might actually be the cheapest Supra in the US.
I haven't heard one.
For running turbo car, because
Turbo.
one, NAs, I mean, NAs are cool, but like they're NAs, right?
Yeah.
And then running, like this thing runs, like if you had put it into a drive gear, it would have engaged it.
Yeah.
And if you had given it enough gas, it probably would have went. Dude, I drove it like 30 miles here. I stalled that a lot. It was solid, dude, but like, I think, yeah, it made it, and here it is.
And you know, it's really not that bad.
No, it's not, honestly.
It's a Supra. It's a turbo Supra.
Yeah.
And those always have potential.
Yeah, exactly. They got potential. Exactly.
Let's rip it apart.
Yeah, let's
Again.
rip it apart, dude. I think there's a few things on the list, certainly of high priority. This probably being one of the major. Oh, jeez.
Oh, wow.
It's quite a bit falling off. You free like next weekend or something? No.
I'll let you know.
All right, that's cool. Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, like I don't have very many friends or anything. Like,
Yeah,
you're probably the only
I
one
mean-
that comes out and like.
Once you get the Supra maybe running and driving and looking good, then maybe I'll show up again. But
Oh, for real? Okay. Dude, it's got an optimal red top. It's a great battery. I think the best part about this car is probably that battery there.
Hey, you got a TRD sticker?
Oh yeah, the TRD sticker's pretty good. Maybe I'll refresh this. You know, maybe like get another one from Japan. Dude, you know what? I'll order the TRD sticker for the new 2020 Supra, and I'll stick it on there. I guess I should mention the reason it's so loud is because you can't really see here. There's a second turbo, by the way, but there's no downpipe after that. It just empties out behind the turbo. Yeah. Also, I guess I should mention both turbos are completely blown. So like as soon as you kind of get into boost, it shoots oil everywhere. Like just the oil seals are completely gone.
It's a turbo Supra.
That being said, like I have a 67 millimeter and a 76 millimeter in the basement. So, I mean, I'm not saying that's what's gonna go on, but you know.
I mean, I don't know if it was a vacuum seals, but it did sound like it had some cams in there.
Oh yes, that's right. I forgot to mention. It's got actually like a built head, more or less.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, like valves, springs, GSC S1 cams. Like that's why it's so lumpy. It's actually like pretty good. Unfortunately, everything else is trash. But like, dude, just pop these out, right? That's an easy job. I think taking the twins out is, ask any Supra owner, the easiest job. The easiest job you can do on a 2JZ. Not like it's the hardest thing in the world with 40,000 vacuum lines. Pull those out, maybe a single, maybe rebuild these fins. Oh, it already has a relatively decent front mount intercooler. Not a huge one, but like
It's not bad, depending on how big of a turbo you go.
Yeah, exactly. And I don't think we're gonna go too crazy because like once you go down that route, it's like engine management, fuel. I mean, once you do fuel, you have to do engine management, and then
does this have a piggyback or anything?
No,
like that?
dude, it's just running stock ECU with like a boost controller. And so I think these were probably running like 20, 21 pounds. You know, like way more
begging
boost.
for mercy.
Exactly,
Like,
until finally
please.
they exploded. And so in horrendous fashion. And then this car was sitting for a while, like a long, I think 2 years, maybe 3. And so hence why it's
3
so
years neglected Supra. Hey, at least you came and saved this poor boy.
exactly.
Right?
That's the thing. Like my personal belief is that there is no Supra in the world that deserves a life of like solitude
And it's in a warm garage now.
Absolutely, exactly. We literally stuck that Alfa Romeo. It's over there outside for this.
Well, I mean, this
Even though
thing's probably going to be worth more in like a year.
Actually, yeah, probably.
Yeah.
As that depreciates and this appreciates,
Yeah.
we'll meet somewhere in the middle.
So,
That's it. All right, cool.
like it.